So in this video I'm going to show you how to clean up disgustingly oiled HT leads, spark plug wires, whatever you call them. Each country has their own different term, but where I'm from they call it HT leads. So look at that, that is absolutely caked in oil. We had a little oil leak. Look at the end there, look, that is bad. So the best way to clean is with our friend WD-40 and a rag. There we go. That'll be enough. And then just wipe him over. And within seconds, it's a lot cleaner. Look at that. And you just keep going until you get all the oil and whatever muck is on there. I need a bit more. There we go. Watch the wire now. Oh, a couple of passes and look at it's already looking much better. Don't want to pull too much because you might pull the wire out. We don't want to do that. There we go, look at that. You can actually see the Ford Racing on there. How long did that take me? 5 seconds? 10 seconds? It says a 2-minute fix, but actually it's it's a lot quicker than that. But then if you do the whole plugs and whole leads, or sorry, if you do the whole leads, then it would take you a few minutes. Put a bit more. All right. How's that? Much better. So there you go, little tip. You want to clean your HT leads, spark plug wires, whatever you call them, wherever you're from, WD-40 on a cloth and they come up lovely.